Ever wonder what the advantages are of using business credit? Well, today I'll be sharing it with you. The Art of Finance here. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. On this channel, we like to provide insight as to how you can achieve financial freedom with an emphasis on financial literacy. So today we're going to be discussing the benefits of business credit cards and how people use it as a tool to increase their financial leverage. One of the biggest benefits of business credit cards compared to personal credit cards are higher credit limits. So, for example, the Chase Business Preferred card, the business card, has a minimum credit limit when you're starting off between $5,000 and as much as $25,000, and a maximum limit of over $100,000 in credit. So comparatively, I know there's a lot of personal cards out there that I give you $1,000, $2,500, $5,000, even $10,000, $20,000 for credit limits, but those are usually maximum credit limits. And this card at $25,000, you can start at a minimum credit limit. So you have extremely higher credit limits for business credit cards. And if you need to make any larger purchases, this will help out in that endeavor. Another benefit of business credit cards, vice personal credit cards, are higher welcome bonuses. So on average, I see about 2.5 times the difference in bonuses, whether that be points or mileage. Now, granted, on the business cards, you do have to spend a little bit more for the promotional period, whether it be 1 month or 3 months time span, vice personal credit cards where it may be a smaller amount, but the bonuses make a huge difference. So you could be paying for vacations, other expenses that may come up with just promotion points or mileage that you get on business credit cards. Now, one of the most significant differences between the business credit cards and personal credit cards is that the balances that you carry on business credit cards do not report to the bureaus for your personal credit report. So for TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax on the personal side, the balances that you have on your business credit cards do not report to those. So this can pay dividends with people who are trying to protect their personal credit score because they may have a purchase, like a home purchase coming up, that they're gearing up for, and they don't want their personal credit score to drop because they're carrying a balance on their credit cards. So instead of using personal credit cards for some of your purchases, you may be able to use your business credit cards, depending on how you have your businesses set up, to cover those purchases. And you also have less of a liability personally for those purchases that you're making, since the business will be covering those. So comment below, guys, and share any of the sign-on bonuses you guys have received for business credit cards. You can name the sign-on bonus and the card that you received it with. Like always, if you found value in the content that I provided today, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. Also, for the bonus, for those who have stayed to the end, my budgeting guide ebook is 40% off right now. This is a great deal, and this will cover the different stages of life you may find yourself in. So it's a good budgeting guide for a lot of different people. The link is in the description below. When you click on the link, make sure you input the coupon code or the discount code BUDGET21 to receive 40% off right now. This deal won't last for too long, so make sure you don't miss out. Thank you guys for stopping by.